Okay, so what I'm going to demonstrate now is the first step to interfacing with your Symc module, and that's pairing your phone. So I've got a BlackBerry device. I'm going to go into my Bluetooth settings. It asks me the question to add a device, to search for devices. Before I hit the OK button, I also want to put Symc in a discoverable mode. So to do that, I'm going to hit the menu button, hit the media player menu, go down to System Settings, Bluetooth Devices, Add Bluetooth Device.
Press OK to begin pairing a device.
I hit OK to hit Find Symc.
Search for Symc on your device and enter the PIN provided by Symc.
We're going to select Symc. Okay, now I have to enter the numeric PIN that Sync's providing. Hit OK. Now Symc likes to connect to the device.
For your safety, please stay alert
So
to changing road conditions and use Sync's voice-activated features while your vehicle is in motion.
You can see the profiles that Symc is now supporting. It was hands-free profile, Bluetooth streaming audio, and phone book download. I know now that I have an active Bluetooth connection because on my BlackBerry the blue light's blinking, as well as on my Symc module on the display I see the Bluetooth icon lit up. So I have successfully paired my device. I also now have the option to do some additional setup on my Symc. It's asking me, would you like to set this as my primary phone? I'm going to say yes. It's also asking if I'd like to download my phone book. I'm going to say yes. Now some devices support automatic download, so that every time you connect, if there's a change in the phone book, it will automatically download.
Phone, please say a command.
Call Alan Hall.
Calling Alan Hall.
Hi, you've reached Alan Hall with Ford Communications. Please leave a message and I'll get back to you as quick as possible.
So now what I want to demonstrate is how easy it is to connect an iPod to your Symc. So I've got my iPod here, I've got my cable, and I'm going to connect one end into Symc, which is down here on the USB port, and I'm going to connect the other end into my iPod. You'll see that Symc powers your iPod to keep it charging, and while it's connected you'll actually see the Ford logo shown on the screen. That's pretty much all it takes, and now to start listening to the music I'll hit the aux button, and right now it's set to Symc line in. So in order to change, I'm going to say
line in, please say a command.
USB.
USB.
So that changes the audio source into USB mode, and I'm playing Artist U2. Now another nice feature that Symc offers is the ability to control or go to certain songs based on voice commands. So now I'm going to demonstrate selecting an artist through voice.
USB, please say a command.
Play artist Black Eyed Peas.
Playing artist Black Eyed Peas.
So you have the ability to play by artist, by playlist, by song name, and by album. Now what I'd like to do is demonstrate the TDI service that we offer through Symc. So going back to the phone, you can see that the Bluetooth icon is still lit. The blue light here on my BlackBerry is flashing, so I've got an active connection. I'm going to press the voice rec button over here and say the command services.
USB, please say a command.
Services. You can see that Symc is now placing an outgoing phone call on my phone.
Services. Which service do you want?
Tell me my choices.
Okay, to interrupt at any time, press the voice button. Here are all your choices. Traffic, directions, business search, sports, news, weather, and
favorites.
Here are all your favorites, starting with your sports favorites.
Yesterday, the Cubs lost to the Mets.
What this is doing now is I've had a chance to go to my syncmyride.com account and set up all my favorites in the information that I want. So Sync Tell Me is actually reading out my favorite information to me so that I don't have to go through all the voice trees to get the same level of information. So that includes sports, news, and weather information. I'll go back to the main services menu and discuss some of the other features. Services.
Services. Which service do you want?
Traffic to the hotel.
Okay, traffic to hotel. Hang on, will I look it up?
So it's now trying to upload my GPS location from the vehicle in order to calculate a few routes to determine traffic conditions between myself and the destination.
If you take 101, 80, and Bryant Street, there are no incidents reported. Traffic is light with a drive time of about 18 minutes. If you take Bayshore Boulevard to 80 and the Embarcadero, there are no incidents reported. Traffic is moderate with a drive time of about 25 minutes. Services. Which service do you want?
Business search.
Business search. Say a city and state, or say search near me.
Search near me.
Hang on, will I get your location?
So now what this is going to do is find a business to my current location, the closest business. I'll pick Starbucks as an example.
What business or type of business are you looking for?
Starbucks.
Okay, Starbucks. Here are the nearest locations. When you hear the one you want, press the
So it presents me with a list of items, and I can select it by pressing the voice button and saying the number.
For Gateway Boulevard in South San Francisco, say 2. For El Camino Real in San Bruno, say 3.
3.
Okay, Starbucks at 1212 El Camino Real.
It's going to give me the option to call, receive an SMS message, or get directions.
You can say driving directions, text me the info, or connect me. You can also say repeat the info, or new search.
Directions.
Directions. I'll calculate the best route based on current traffic and send it to your vehicle. Please allow the route download to complete before using the phone. Hang on while I get your location.
So the GPS location is again uploaded to Tell Me. Tell Me will send the current origin and destination to INRIX. INRIX will then pass that to Telenav, who then passes it back to INRIX onto Airbiquity and downloads into the vehicle. Once the download is complete, my phone call will be ended, and I can start driving on the route, receiving turn-by-turn directions. You'll also notice here it will receive the first prompt before the download is complete.
Proceed to South Canal Street and head toward South Spruce Avenue. Then route guidance will start.
The reason for that is
download complete. You may now use your phone.
We want to give you, or the driver, as much time as possible to start the route before the download is. If the route is very long, we want to make sure that they have the turns to get on the route and not miss the first turn.